Good morning and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Today, we have quite a few high paying jobs. We have Square hiring that's owned by Block, the company that owns like Square, the little card that you can take payments with for small businesses. We have a job that lets you set your own schedule, completely flexible. And of course, we have high paying like customer service. Hopefully, we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. But real quickly, just a disclaimer, work from home jobs are in high demand right now. And I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. So these jobs do fill up quickly. So while I do verify that they are posted at the time this video is published, I cannot control how long the job stays up, how many applications they accept before they take the post down and start calling people in for interviews. So if you're interested in anything that is shared today, please make sure you get those applications in quickly. Also, links, timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. But first up, we have NBC Universal hiring. They have 7,100 reviews from past and current employees, and overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote product specialist. Of course, employees can work remote. This is a full-time position for the United States only. But what they're doing is Comcast and NBC Universal is trying to create a newly public traded company called Versant. And so what this is going to be is it's going to be comprised of all of their different television networks like USA Network, CNBC, Oxygen, Sci-Fi, their golf channel. And they are really looking for somebody to help shape this spin-off company. So you're going to shape the product's evolution by managing the feature roadmap, prioritizing impactful capabilities, just building exciting new features and capabilities on top of a CRM platform like Salesforce, and trying to improve basically the user experience. You're there to bridge the gap between the teams, the stakeholders, translating the requirements into well-documented, high-value product features. So you're kind of ensuring precision and clarity by fully documenting all of the product features. So you're making sure all the documentation is there, it's been tested, all of those kinds of things. This does either require a bachelor degree or someone who has quite a bit of experience. If you have equivalent experience that would equal like a bachelor degree, they will accept that. You do have to have 1 year of product experience, 1 year of experience in a role that has like written and oral communications. So like some kind of communications, customer service type skills. And of course, they want somebody who's worked before focusing on like planning, user stories. So maybe like somebody who's been in project management before. Now, pay for this one is pretty high, anywhere from $80,000 a year up to $100,000 a year. Now, if you don't mind being on the phone, if the price is right, we have a high-paying customer service job from the company Yembo. I think that's how you say it. They have only 32 reviews, so please, I always urge you to do your own research on any companies. Please come read the reviews before you give them any of your personal information. Out of those 32 reviews, though, they come highly rated at 4.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer support specialist. This is remote for the United States. Now, they do want somebody who can be flexible in their schedule, kind of like retail and stuff like that. Their shifts vary across different time zones, so they kind of work both with the East Coast and the West Coast. This is a 5-day-a-week position, but those 2 days off might not always fall on the weekend. So you might work some weekends, some nights, some evenings, things like that. So just know that the schedule is kind of always changing based on business needs. But they're looking for somebody to basically answer phone, email, text, and chat. Just being professional, being empathetic with the customer, troubleshooting any common technical issues, kind of walking those customers through steps to resolve them. So you're managing and prioritizing the work from both the call queue and the support tickets coming in through like email, logging, updating, resolving these tickets as needed, just maintaining those performance metrics, basic like technical customer service. No college degree is needed for this. They're looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years experience in either technical customer support or some some kind of like help desk role, somebody who has experience using those online ticketing systems or platforms like Jira, Intercom. You can troubleshoot, work with basic tech tools, you can multitask, you can be a problem solver. But if this is you, this is pretty good pay for a customer service job. They are paying $68,000 a year. Now, next up, we have Block Hiring. Block is the parent company who owns like the little Square payment reader, Cash App, all of those different companies. This job is specifically for Square. They have 1,900 reviews with an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an SFS customer success advocate. Of course, this is remote for the United States. Now, they really are looking for somebody who is bilingual. It says the Square Financial Services team is looking for somebody who is bilingual to provide support and risk mitigation for their business financing space. So they really want somebody who's bilingual, but when you get down to the qualifications, they do list being able to speak Spanish as preferred and not actually required. So they're really just looking for somebody to answer those customer questions regarding business documents and current loan information in both English. And then, of course, Spanish is preferred. Again, if you're bilingual, that's going to get you to the top of the line for an interview. Somebody who can just resolve those customer questions by both phone and email using their CRM tools. So you're kind of navigating escalation paths to a seller's needs based on where they are in the cycle of their loan, trying to manage the risk and mitigate risk so they don't become a risk. Basically, you're identifying, documenting, and following up with different teams across varying lines of business on product bugs, product features, just collaborating the best you can with different teams to make sure that these sellers have the best possible experience. No college degree is needed for this one. You do have to have 1 year of customer service experience. They prefer that to be like in financial payment provider, some kind of tech company. They're looking for somebody who has an interest in discovering new processes, coming up with new processes, always looking for better ways to do things. Somebody who enjoys collaborating, working on different projects, different teams, kind of growing within the business. Somebody who can take that feedback and implement it. You just have to have a passion for Square and the customers. And of course, again, fluency in English is required, and they do prefer Spanish as well. Now, Block, Cash App, Square, all these different companies that are under Block, they always pay based on location. They have the United States broken down into zones. The lowest pay is $22.74 an hour, with the highest pay being $45.48 an hour. Now, if you're looking for something where you can really be flexible, set your own schedule, make a little bit of extra money when you have time, RWS Group might be for you. But because of that, it is like task-based kind of work and does pay a little bit on the lower end. They have 1,500 reviews, an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for video and audio annotation and AI prompt evaluation in the English language. This is going to be part-time, remote, but they're basically looking for somebody to freelance, kind of, log in, work when you can, work when you want to, doing different tasks for audio evaluation, audio annotation, and prompt evaluation. So with the audio annotation, you're going to help them build a understanding of audio within video content. So you're going to be basically annotating or tagging sound events. So you're identifying, labeling those sound events. So it might be like every time somebody says or every time somebody coughs or different things like that, you're going to tag the video or audio for every time that happens. And then, of course, prompt evaluation, you are basically evaluating a model's understanding of the physical world through multiple choice questions. You're reviewing and validating different components of the questions that have been created. And they're also kind of looking for somebody to also help with video segmentation, where you track specific objects through a video sequence. So maybe it's like a ball bouncing from one end of the screen to the other. So again, every few frames when that ball moves across the screen, you're going to have to tag where that ball is at. Now, again, they are looking for somebody to work from home, and they do accept other countries such as Australia, Canada, Ireland, United Kingdom, and of course the United States. Again, work schedule's flexible. You just work when you can or when you want to. Pay is $15 an hour for the US, 13 euros for Europe, or the UK rather. And of course, other than that, you've just got to be fluent in English, detail-oriented, be able to meet deadlines, responsible, reliable, but no college degree or experience, things like that are required. required. Next up, we have Green Dot hiring. Green Dot, I think, is like those little prepaid credit debit card type things, if I'm not mistaken. They have 475 reviews. They do have a lower rating coming in at 2.5 out of 5 stars, right in the middle there. Some people love them, some people hate them. But they are looking for a corporate resolution specialist, again, remote, and it says you can work remotely anywhere in the United States. They don't have any state restrictions. Although they don't have any state restrictions, they are looking for somebody to work the schedule of Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But this is like a customer service type job. You're just making sure all the customer escalations and complaints are managed with professional standards, working within like Green Dot's terms, policies. You're receiving these inbound calls, also making outbound calls like callbacks, responses to make sure that all of the work queues are well maintained, service levels are met. You're going to try to proactively make recommendations to address the root causes of any complaints or escalated issues, just understanding the current business processes and tools and trying to use those to impact the customers, making sure that you just solve all their questions, problems, concerns, basic like customer service type stuff. It does require 3 years of customer service experience, somebody who communicate effectively, somebody who can kind of conflict management skills. You can kind of talk professionally with people, keep your cool, work around a computer, use those Microsoft Office systems. Pay for this position is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but it pays pretty well if you have some experience. You can get to the top end of the pay. Pay is anywhere from $36,200 a year up to $54,300 a year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.